Next, we're going to work on adding images to Blackboard. There are a couple ways to do it, and I'm going to do both of these in our example topic folder that we've been working in. So let me enter the folder. And the first thing we're going to do is just add an image straight into the folder content of Blackboard. To do this, go to the Build Content, down to Image, and select it. Here you'll add a name, so sample image. So first let me choose an image, and this will be fine. So as you can see right now, that it says blackboard.jpg, so that's an image that's going to be loaded. If I want to choose a different file, I can. And next, I want to add my alt text, which is a basic description of the image so students can use accessibility and it can meet ADA requirements. So this would be a Blackboard logo. You can also add a long description of the image if it's something such as a graph or something that students who may be visually impaired will need to hear more about. But in this case, since it's just a logo, that will be fine. I'll continue to scroll down. Now, this is important. You may want to add custom dimensions because sometimes things import really large. So I'm going to just do 400 by 400, a standard size. I don't want a border. I do want it to open in a new window. And I do not have a URL, so I'm going to skip by that. No alignments. I am going to permit users to view it and not date stamp it as I did with the last file I added. Hit submit, and the image comes up. You can again go in and edit because that looks a little large. So down here in the custom, let's make it 200 by 200. Hit submit, and there it is smaller. Using images this way is a good way just to enrich your course, make it a little more visually appealing for students as they go through your different topic folders. Another way to add images would be into an item. In fact, I don't even need this file anymore because I have it in here twice, so I'm going to hit this chevron and delete it, which leaves me with the item that I'm now going to edit to add an image. So to do this, you'll find a blank space on your whiteboard and select this image where it says Insert or Edit Image and go through the same process. I'm going to add a description. This would be the same thing where I just say it's the Blackboard logo, also known as alt text. Browse my computer for the image. Here it is. Double click and it comes in. If you go to the next tab where it says Appearance, this is where you can set your dimensions, and I already figured out it looked best at 200 by 200, so that looks great. Hit Insert, and you can see that it's added just below the hyperlink of what we've previously attached. Hit Submit, and now these two things are in here together. If you want to delete an image, just hit the chevron and hit Delete. Last thing I want to do before we close out of this is to make sure students can see it properly. So to do this, hit your student preview, which will bring you back to the opening. Go to Lessons. This is in the example topic folder, and there it is, so students are able to see it.